If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. Today, we are diving into international expansion strategy. This is where sophisticated investors separate themselves by providing strategic guidance that can 10x a company's addressable market while navigating complex regulatory, cultural, and operational challenges. The scale and the value creation reality. First and foremost, the market expansion potential. International markets often fight to 10x the domestic addressable market. The investor value add opportunity. Most of the founders underestimate international expansion complexity and timeline. The timing mistakes, expanding too early or too late in company development. Resource allocation failures, underestimating the capital and attention requirements. There is a framework that you can follow wherein you have tier 1 as the analysis, which is the market product fit assessment. Next, let's dive into the market entry strategy menu, wherein you have your first strategy as the direct market entry, the second one as a partnership-based entry, and lastly, the acquisition-enabled entry. An insight out here is the sequential market development strategy. Choose initial international markets and create learning and capabilities for subsequent market entries, not just immediate revenue opportunities. Wherein the phase 1 is early assessment and planning. The regulatory landscape mapping by identifying all relevant regulatory bodies and requirements. Next, let's discuss some sector-specific regulatory strategies. Let's first start with the fintech and financial services. Herein you have banking partnership strategies wherein you can work with established institutions for regulatory cover. The data and the AI companies. The data localization requirements. Build infrastructure that complies with local data residency laws. The AI ethics and transparency wherein you navigate emerging AI regulation and ethical requirements. When we are talking about the regulatory portfolio approach, build your regulatory expertise and relationships across your portfolio that benefits all the companies expanding into similar markets. Herein we have the global talent acquisition framework. First and foremost, the leadership hiring strategy, the local market expertise. Hire leaders with deep local market knowledge and networks. When we are talking about cultural bridge capability, find the leaders who can work effectively with home office culture. Make sure that you have the global talent pipeline development, wherein you build relationships with international talent before you need them, creating competitive advantages in key markets. The strategic investment partners, local investors, VCs and strategic investors who can provide market intelligence and network access. Corporate venture arms, strategic investors who can provide customer access and business development. The network effect partnership strategy is that you build partnerships that can create network effects. Each new partnership makes existing partnerships more value. Next, you have the international banking and the payments. First and foremost, the multi-currency banking. Establish banking relationships that support efficient international operations. The payment system optimization, implement payment solutions that work effectively in each market. This brings us to the strategic value creation matrix, the brand recognition and reputation. Monitor brand awareness and reputation development in the new market. This brings us to the portfolio cross-pollination approach. Share your learnings, your partnerships, and capabilities across your portfolio companies to accelerate international expansion success for all the companies. Your role as an investor isn't just to provide capital for international expansion, it is to provide strategic guidance, network access, and operational expertise that dramatically increases the probability of success while reducing time to market and capital requirements. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.